If anybody has seen my electrolysis videos, I was actually using an old ATX power supply. These are fairly simple to get working. All you need to do to get them to power up without them being connected to anything is, here is your power connector, usually labeled P1 or whatever. Fourth wire in, which I believe is pin 4. I believe this is pin 1, so you've got pin 4 is going to be green or gray or some other odd color. All you need to do is short that to ground with either a paper clip, or if you don't care if the power supply is obviously not going to be used for a PC anymore, just snip the wires, twist them together. When you plug it in, it comes in handy if your power supply has a switch on the back like my other one did. We're going to work on building a power supply for electrolysis. More plentiful around here are not ATX power supplies, but your old school AT power supplies. This one actually seems to conform to AT power supply standards. Either that or it just doesn't work. But we've got these two other AT power supplies. The nice thing about these is power up by themselves. We're not going to want to use these like this because they're separate. They've got these big long power leads coming out of them that would go to the front of your computer case. Can I connect them together and get a 40 amp supply? So let's power up the top supply and see what kind of voltage we get off of that. 5.18 volts. See what we're getting out of our bottom supply. 5.14 volts. Now let's see what happens if we power them up together. And we're getting 5.13 volts. And it looks like our top supply here did not power on. Let's try power. Oh, there it goes. And we're up to 5.18 volts. Here we have the two power supplies side by side. Best Tech is on the right. Scratch that. Best Tech is on the left. AGI is on the right. GC. Oh heck. Quick video. It was originally supposed to be on how to use an ATX power supply as a electrolysis supply, but hey, when does anything I ever start end up the way it was intended? Comparing these two AT power supplies with this original PC XT power supply, no less than 5 separate boards in here. We've got the main board on the bottom, there's a board on the side, a board on the back, this riser card here, and one on the side, and they look to be manufactured by Zenith, copyright 1984.